Welcome to Vihanta Foundation. For us, the top subjects are the diverse culture in India. Learning that enables us to deal with them no matter whatever project with whomever you deal with. Being an Indian citizen, it feels proud to have respect for across cultures. University of the same is in demand. Cultural education based on India's vast demographic diversity presents a compelling opportunity to transform business understanding and potentially supplement the existing educational system. The concept holds significant potential for enhanced business growth through deeper cultural comprehension and market insights. Benefits of cultural education for business growth, enhanced market understanding. India's cultural diversity serves as a strategic advantage for businesses willing to embrace it. Companies that understand regional variations can develop products and services tailored to diverse consumer preferences, as demonstrated by successful platforms like Zomato and Swiggy, which offer region specific cuisines. This cultural intelligence enables businesses to customize offerings according to local demands, similar to how e commerce giants like Flipkart and Amazon provide different products across various regions. Innovation through diversity. Cultural diversity drives innovation by bringing together varied perspectives and problem solving approaches. Research indicates that diverse cultural perspectives inspire creativity and provide local market knowledge that makes businesses more competitive and profitable. Studies in Indian IT companies like Oracle, IBM, TCS, and Infosys show positive correlations between workforce diversity and business performance. Cross cultural communication skills. Exposure to India's cultural diversity cultivates essential intercultural competence. Students and professionals learn to navigate cultural nuances, build rapport across different backgrounds, and develop empathy and cultural sensitivity. These skills are crucial for businesses operating in India's multicultural marketplace. Integration with traditional knowledge systems. Gurukula inspired learning models. The ancient Gurukula system offers valuable insights for modern business education. This traditional approach emphasized mentorship driven learning, experiential education, and holistic development. Modern corporate training programs are already incorporating Gurukul inspired mentorship models where senior executives guide employees through hands on experience rather than theoretical training. Practical applications in corporate settings. Several organizations have successfully integrated Indian Knowledge Systems (IKS) into corporate training. These programs incorporate elements like yoga and mindfulness for stress reduction, Vedantic values for ethical leadership development, and Ayurvedic principles for employee wellness. Companies report improved employee engagement, creativity, and sustainable business practices through these IKS based interventions. Challenges and implementation considerations. Educational system reform requirements. While cultural education offers significant benefits, replacing the existing system entirely may not be practical. The National Education Policy (NEP) 2020 already recognizes this need by emphasizing multilingualism, mother tongue instruction, and inclusive curricula that embrace cultural diversity. The policy aims to bring 2 crore out of school children into mainstream education while incorporating vocational training from class 6. Structural barriers. Traditional educational systems have historically been dominated by certain languages and cultures, often at the expense of marginalized communities. Successfully implementing cultural education requires addressing language barriers, cultural stereotypes, and communication challenges through comprehensive diversity training programs and language support services, business implementation strategies, cultural immersion programs. Several successful immersion programs demonstrate the effectiveness of cultural learning for business understanding. Programs like those at IIM Bangalore and KJ Somia Institute combine academic learning with industry exposure and cultural activities, providing comprehensive perspectives on doing business in India. Community-based learning, indigenous educational practices that involve entire communities in the learning process can strengthen local economies and reduce urban migration. This approach helps develop both practical skills and cultural understanding that directly benefits business operations, rather than completely replacing the current educational system. A hybrid approach that integrates cultural education with existing frameworks appears most viable. This would leverage India's cultural diversity as a competitive advantage while building the cross-cultural competencies essential for successful business growth in India's complex marketplace. A person educated in 7 to 8 major regional cultures of India would gain tremendous advantages in business understanding and interpersonal skills. This multicultural knowledge creates a powerful foundation for success across India's diverse marketplace. Key benefits by cultural region knowledge, Northern Cultural Region, understanding Hindi Belt states, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, provides access to India's largest population base. This region values hierarchy, status display, and relationship building through extended family networks. Business professionals familiar with this culture can navigate the merchant communities of Rajasthan, understand the bureaucratic structures of Delhi, and connect with the massive consumer markets of UP and Bihar. Southern Cultural Region, knowledge of Dravidian cultures, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, offers insights into India's technology and service sector hub. Southern Indians tend to be more educated, modest, and employment-oriented rather than purely business-focused. This region prefers English communication over Hindi and values technical expertise, making it crucial for IT, manufacturing, and export businesses. Western Cultural Region, understanding Gujarati and Marathi cultures provides access to India's commercial heartland. This region has strong merchant communities and business-minded populations, with Gujarat being particularly entrepreneurial. Knowledge here enables better navigation of textile industries, diamond trading, chemical manufacturing, and startup ecosystems. Eastern Cultural Region, familiarity with Bengali and Eastern cultures offers insights into intellectual traditions, arts, and communist-influenced labor practices. This region has cheaper labor costs and strong cultural industries, making it valuable for manufacturing and creative sectors. Specific business advantages, enhanced customer understanding. A culturally educated person can customize products and services for different regions effectively. For example, German retailer Metro discovered significant differences in grocery preferences across Indian states and adjusted their product mix accordingly, leading to better market penetration. Understanding that South Indians prefer different spice blends, North Indians favor wheat-based foods, and Eastern regions have distinct fish preparations directly impacts product success. Communication excellence, knowledge of regional communication styles provides significant competitive advantages. Northern regions often prefer direct, hierarchical communication, while southern regions value technical expertise and modest presentation. Eastern regions may require more relationship building time due to communist influences, while Western regions appreciate business efficiency. This knowledge prevents cultural misunderstandings that can derail business relationships, market entry strategy development. Understanding regional differences enables targeted market entry approaches. Urban areas across regions are more liberal and educated, while rural areas remain conservative and traditional. A culturally knowledgeable person can determine whether to enter through metropolitan cities first or take region specific rural approaches. Interpersonal and leadership benefits, trust building capabilities, cultural knowledge enables faster relationship development. Indian business operates heavily on trust and long term relationships rather than transactional approaches. Understanding regional festivals, religious practices, and family structures allows for deeper connections with partners, employees, and customers across different states. Team management skills, knowledge of regional hierarchical expectations helps in managing diverse teams effectively. Northern regions may expect more authoritative leadership styles, while southern regions prefer collaborative, merit based approaches. Understanding these nuances prevents management conflicts and improves team productivity. Negotiation advantages. Regional cultural understanding provides superior negotiation capabilities. Different regions have distinct preferences for sales channels, decision making processes, and business relationship styles. This knowledge allows for adaptive negotiation strategies that resonate with local cultural expectations, competitive market advantages, innovation through diversity, exposure to multiple cultures enhances creative problem solving. Each region brings unique perspectives on business challenges, consumer needs, and market opportunities. This multicultural understanding drives innovation by combining different regional approaches to create comprehensive solutions. Risk mitigation. Understanding cultural variations helps avoid costly business mistakes. Awareness of regional sensitivities around religion, festivals, language preferences, and social customs prevents marketing blunders and operational disruptions. This knowledge is particularly valuable given India's high context communication culture where indirect messages carry significant meaning. A person with deep knowledge of India's 7 to 8 major cultural regions becomes a strategic asset for any organization operating in India, combining market intelligence, relationship building skills, and cultural adaptability that directly translates to business success and improved stakeholder relationships.